Oh, be careful. Right here, oh, look at that. Oh, you like it? Yeah, wait a minute. Babe, come here. Look at that. What? What is that? We're leaving, guys, and we're taking this boat. It's a ship, right? Babe? Guys. We're going inside now, guys. I'm just waiting for our shawarma. Hi, guys. We're here now inside the airport after the immigration. Okay, that's game on. We're going to our gate now, guys. So we're going to Korea. It's our first time to
And I'm half Korean.
Okay, let's go.
It's also sad.
Okay, guys, it's only 9 and our boarding is at 12 and we are really hungry and we are now here at Asian Kitchen and we're ordering Asian food like Korean, yeah, Korean bibimbap. What is
Wait,
that?
this is why Koreans live so long. They eat vegetables.
Yeah,
I want to be living for a
that's
while.
one of vegetarian bibimbap.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then we ordered also the chicken biryani. And pork kimon is cheesy fries.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Very delicious food. It's so hot.